Most valuable stamps of the Germany. German local issue Hernut 1945 Zeb6 Hernut overprint on Hitler unauthorized value Michel 13 footnote comprising 10, 16, 20, 24, 50, 85 Fanning 1M and 2M. Michel value 3,200 euros equal to $3,410. German local issue Storko 1946 coat of arms 3 Fanning to 12 Fanning complete imperforate Michel number 9B to 14B value 1,000 euros equal to $1,070. All have original gum and our stamp is German local issue Netzkau Reichenbach 1945 8 Fanning Hitler overprinted type 1 and type 2B. C tenant Michel number 6W. The stamp has original gum and is signed by philatelist. Michel value 700 euros. German office in China 1900 Tyneseen provisional overprint on Germania 80 Fanning Lake and black on rose. Michel number 14, an exceptionally rare stamp signed by Holcomb and others with accompanying photo certificate. Scott number 23, Michel value 6,000 euros. German office in China 1900 Boxer Rebellion usage of Kia Shao 3M black violet very fresh cleaned and with stir and bowler certificate. Michel number P5M value 3,800 euros equal to $4,050. German World War II occupation of Marisch, Austria 1939 liberation overprint on 50H to 20K air mills complete Michel number 20A to 27B very fine and signed by philatelist. Michel value 3,200 euros equal to $3,410. Caroline Island 1910 Pune provisional 5 Fanning on 3 Fanning Brown Scott number 20 cancelled by Pune CDS 12 July. An excellent example of this rare provisional, only 500 of which were issued. Value 3,500 euros. German World War II propaganda issue 1943. Himmler ties up civilian 12 plus 8 Fanning red color. Michel number 32 original gum hinge remnant. Michel value 500 euros for never hinged stamp equal to $530. German World War II occupation of Poland, Litzmanstadt Ghetto 1944, Chain Rumkowski and workers 5 Fanning Vermilion and 10 Fanning Olive Green. Michel number 1 and 2A signed by philatelist. Michel value 1,150 euros equal to $1,200. German World War II propaganda issue 1943, murder ruin Ponte Cassino on King George VI forgeries half T to 3T complete. Michel number 9 IC to 14 IC. Without gum as issued. Michel value 1,800 euros equal to $1,920. German local issue Damnin 1945 manuscript 20 Fanning in small blue frame. Michel number 2 very fine and original gum signed by philatelist not priced mint. Michel value 900 euros for the used stamp equal to $960. German local issue Solgau 1945 Morse code V on 3 Fanning to 50 Fanning swastika officials complete and the stamps are accompanied with certificate and have minimal gum disturbance. Michel value 1,300 euros equal to $1,390. German office in Turkish Empire 1899 Forerunner Germany numeral 2M reddish carmine. Michel number V37F cancelled by Constantinople CTS 1 April 1899 accompanied with certificate. Michel value 2,000 euros. Stamp from Germany Mammal 1923 10C on 25M on 5C and 15C on 1000M on 25C. Type 3 surcharges. Michel number 233 and 231-3 tied together on a piece by clear oval cancel. German colonies New Guinea 1913 unissued Zeppelin set of 2 produced in 1913 for the German-English Zeppelin expedition to New Guinea. The stamp has original gum and is extremely rare. The catalog value is 2000 euros. German local issue Malberg 1945 unauthorized blood and tears overprint on 4, 15, 16, 24 and 25 fanning Hitler issues, and the stamps have original gum. The initial value 1250 euros equal to $1,300. Well, German office in China 1900 Boxer Rebellion usage of Kia Shao 80 fanning Lake and Black on Rose, mission number P6I and neat postmark. Very fine condition, mission value 1600 euros equal to $1,700. Well, our next stamp is German office in Morocco 1900 6P25C on 5M slate and carmine type 1 not retouched. Mission number 19I and cancelled partial Tanger CDS. The stamp is accompanied with philatelist certificate. The Scott number 19. Germany Marienwerder 1921 M green and brown imperforate between Michel number 11 UMS. Horizontal pair cancelled by Scrope CDS 26 June 1920. Scott number 11 variety Michel value 400. Well, our stamp is German World War II occupation of Poland Litzmanstadt Ghetto 1944 chain Ramkowski and worker. Well, stamp from German World War II propaganda issue 1943 Hans Frank 20 GR sepia mission number 33 value 600 euros. German local issue Alto Burn 1946 12 fanning red and violet mission number 5A tied on a piece by Alto Burn CDS. German local issue Strasbourg 1945 overprint on European Postal Congress complete mission number 31 to 33. Well, stamp from Germany Berlin 1949 red overprints complete Scott number 9 and 21 to 9 and 34. The Scott value $1,000, Michel value 1400 euros. The Michel number is 21 to 34 and the stamps have original gum. Well, our stamp is German Democratic Republic 1969 Jorindin and Joringel final progression plate proof with all colors. Michel number 1450 55 kbph imperforate on the gummed paper 100 and 115 millimeter size. And our stamp is Germany Soviet Zone East Saxony 1945 12 fanning post Pochta Michel number 41. The stamp has original gum and is signed by philatelist Scott number 15 N1 value $475. Michel value 650 euros. Stamp from German local issue Solgor 1945 V and 22 4 1945 Wartime on 3 fanning to 50 fanning Hitler complete second overprint inverted Michel number 1K212K and the value is 960 euros in Michel. German local issue Luxembourg 1945 40 fanning dark blue on brownish without postal official signature. Michel number 1F. The stamp has original gum and small hinge remnant. Michel value 800 euros for the never hinged stamp. This is equal to $850. German local issue colon 1946 84 and 24 fanning struck together in red lilac. Michel number ZD1A initialed in pencil without gum as issued signed by philatelist. Michel value 1300 euros for the used stamp on piece. German local issue Gross Reichen 1945 Forerunner 10 fanning on green and black nicked Abelholt not claimed label Michel number V4B. The stamp has original gum and is signed by philatelist. Michel value 500 euros equal to $530. German local issue Glauchau 1945 25 fanning on 50 fanning swastika official Michel number 38 tied on a piece by Glauchau Sachs 1 CDS 4 July 1945 Signed by philatelist Michel, value 1200 euros, equal to $1200. German local issue Finsterwalde 1945, unofficial 6 Fanning Sengerstedt overprint on 1 Fanning Hitler Michel number 1, neatly cancelled to order with violet post-stamped hand stamp on reverse, accompanied with certificates. Michel, value 500 euros. German World War II occupation of Poland, Litzmann-Stedt Ghetto 1944, chain Rumkowski and symbols of productivity. Michel number 3 to 5, sheet margin singles and with original gum. Michel, value 300 euros, equal to $320. German local issue Lobau 1945, Hindenburg 1 Fanning plus 5 Fanning plus label plus 3 Fanning and 1 Fanning strip with signet D hand stamp, 5 Fanning with double overprint and cancelled by Lobo CTS. And the estimated value $200 to $300. German World War II propaganda issue 1944, Journal 1 Witzelben 24 plus 26 Fanning dark brown red. Michel number 29. And the stamp has original gum. I hope you liked the video. Thank you, and please keep visiting and watching the videos.